Good day, everybody. Today we are going to talk about frequency distribution and relative frequency distribution. So I'll share my screen with you. The following frequency distribution represents the batting average of MLB players who had 300 or more plate appearances during a recent season. MLB is Major League Baseball. So batting average, there starts from 0.180 first class up to 0.199 frequencies 4 and so forth. Next one is from 0.200 to 0.219 with a frequency of 14 and so forth. So the first question, how many classes are there? So let's take a look at it. How many classes are there? Well, we see the first class, second class, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Answers part A, 9 classes. Part B, what is the class width? Class width is equal to upper class limit of the, upper class limit of the second class, which is 0.219, minus the lower class limit of the first class, which is 0.199. So it is equal to 0.02. Sorry, let me do it. 0.219, 0.219 minus 0.199. Here, 0.219 minus 0.199, which is equal to 0.02. Similarly, class width can also be found. Class width is lower class limit of the second class, which is 0.200, minus the lower class limit of the first class, which is 0.180, which is also equal to 0.02. So it is, I will write down upper class limit of second class minus upper class limit of first class and it is also equal to lower class limit of second class minus the lower class limit of the first class limit of first class. Both are same. Both ways you get the same result, which is 0.02. So that's your class width. Okay. Now let's create some more space for us. Says, what are the class limits? So class limits, for example, is, I'll just list a few. And let me write down. Class limits is 0.180 to 0.199 or 0.200 to 0.219, which is the second class. So these are the class limits. So I'll get rid of this. Okay. Then part D, construct a relative frequency distribution. So in order to do that, we have to add up all the frequencies, right? So let me move up a little bit. Okay. I go back here. Okay. So I add up the total sum of the frequencies. Okay. So let me write the sum of the frequency is summation sign, which is equal to sample size equal to, I add them up. Okay. 4 plus 14 plus 41 plus 59 plus 58 plus 51 plus 29 plus 10 plus 1. It works out to 267. That's equal to sum of the frequencies or equal to n. Okay. Let me make sure that I've done my calculations correctly. It's 4 plus 14 plus 41. I'm adding all the frequencies plus 59 plus 58 plus 51 plus 29 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 267. Now I'll create a little bit, I'll create a column, new column. So I'll move this a little bit up. Okay. So let's do the relative frequency calculation. Relative frequency column. So each class frequency divided by the total frequency. It's F, frequency of each class divided by N. By the way, this frequency is F. So for the first class, it will be 4 divided by 267, which is equal to 0.015, you might say. 0.015. Next one will be 14 divided by 267, which is equal to 14 divided by 267 is 0.052. 0.052, and you continue with the process. Next one will be 41 divided by 267 is 0.154. 0.154. Next one will be 59 divided by 267. Which will be 0.221. Next one is 58 divided by 267, which is 0.217. Then 51 divided by 267, 0.191. Next one is 29 divided by 267, which is 0.109, you might say. And then next one is 10 divided by 267, which is 0.037. 0.037. And the last one is 1 divided by 267. So 1 divided by 267, it works out to 0.004. So it is 0.015. 0.052 plus 0.154 plus 0.221 plus 0.217 plus 0.191 plus 0.109 plus 0.037 plus 0.004. And if you add up all this relative frequency, this sum is also equal to sum of relative frequencies. It should be equal to 1 or 100%. Okay. So this is the relative frequency distribution, which answers part D. Part E, what percentage of players had batting average of 0.3 or more? So we are going to add the relative frequency of the last three classes. So I will do it over here. What percentage, this is part E, what percentage of players had batting average of 0.3 or more, 0.300. So since the last term or third from the last starts from 0.300, that class, and we go as high as in the last class to 0.399. So we are going to add up this relative frequency, 0.109 plus 0.037 plus 0.004, and that is equal to 0.109 plus 0.037 plus 0.004, and that works out to 0.15 is equal to 0.15 or 0.15 times 100%. Move the decimal 2 places to the right, and it's 15%. So 15% of the players had batting average of 0.3 or more. That is the answer for part E. I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, even your friends, by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'll see you next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.